Jed here to demonstrate how to temporarily remove a user in GoTo Admin. This action will suspend or deactivate the profile, but the settings are kept for future reactivation. This is a great option when you have an employee who will be gone temporarily, like on maternity leave, but who will be returning. You must be an admin or super admin to temporarily remove a user in GoTo Admin. GoTo Admin can be accessed at this site. I've already signed in as the super admin Lance Bingham. Take note of the left navigation menu. You may see different icons here depending on what options are available with your GoTo plan. The first step is to update the number, extension, and device associated with the user you will temporarily remove. Now, depending on your billing type, you will be charged by license or device. I'll show you how to remove both elements in this video. View the links in the video description if you want to know your billing type. For this video, I will be removing Veronica Brown. Click the phone system icon. You may have to click the more icon to see that. Select Direct Extensions. Here are your current extensions. Search for and select the desired extension. You can search for the extension number or name. Take note of the Associated Resources section. This is where you can see if the user's extension is being used in ring groups, dial plans, contact center queues, assigned devices, or phone numbers. A clickable link is available to fix this if you see anything listed in the Associated Resources section. Depending on what things you see here, you'll have some decisions to make. For example, if they are connected with groups, you may feel you can leave them there since others will cover for them while they are gone. If you want to remove them, click on the group and remove them from the Member tab. You'll want to set up a forwarding rule for things they are the only ones connected to, like a direct extension. If they are directly connected to a dial plan, you'll want to open that and select a different person or group on the node they are associated with. In this case, I want to look at the direct extension assigned to Veronica. Instead of clicking a link in the Associated Resources section, I'll click the Find Me, Follow Me tab. This is an optional step. If you suspend a user, their extension is also suspended. If you want their extension to be forwarded to someone else during that time, you can set up a call forwarding rule here. The first drop-down menu should say In, which is short for internal extension. Now, from the second drop-down list, select the desired forwarding destination. You can then set up the other ring steps however you like. For the No Answers Send to option, if you select voicemail, the call will be directed to the new extension you chose a moment ago. Click the Save button if you've made any changes. Click the Overview tab. The only thing remaining in the Associated Resources panel for Veronica is a device. Let's remove that if this account is billed according to devices. We could go to the Devices section of GoTo Admin, but I'll click the device link in this section. On the right side, toward the top, click the More icon. It looks like 3 dots. Select the Delete option. This warning lets us know if the device is being used anywhere else. Since it is not, I'll click Delete. Now let's move on to the second step, managing roles. If you have a standard user not involved with Contact Center, you won't need to worry about this step. Click the People icon. Select Users. Search for and select the user you want to suspend or remove temporarily. While this user is gone, you may want to change their role. To do that, click the Edit Details button. click the Admin Role drop-down list. If desired, you can select a different role here. If you choose a different role, you'll need to click the Save button. I'm not going to change the role for this user temporarily. You will also want to see if this user is involved with Contact Center. Click the Settings heading. Depending on your GoTo plan, you'll have different options here. Click either Inboxes or Shared Inboxes. From here, I can see the different Contact Center campaigns. The user will have boxes checked for those they are connected to. Uncheck the desired boxes. And note that changes in this section are saved automatically. We can now move on to the final step, suspending or temporarily deleting the user. I will suspend the user Veronica Brown and show you how that decision impacts her account. Let's return to the main users page. Search for the desired user, but do not click on their name. Hover over their name and click on the More icon that will appear on the right side. Then select Suspend. This page lets us know that when a user is suspended, they can log in, but will not have access to licenses and devices. However, that changes back to how it was before, once a license is reassigned to them. Click the Suspend button to proceed. Now let's see what the user's account looks like in a suspended state. Search for and select the user. Nothing will change from the Overview section since we previously updated her role and associated resources. Click the Products heading. This page displays how many licenses have been purchased for this account and how many are in use. Since Veronica has been suspended, you can see here that her license has been disabled. If I wanted to reactivate this user, I could click that button to enable the license again, and I would then need to click the Save button. That's all there is to temporarily remove a user in GoTo Admin. Thank you for watching the video. I've included links to additional videos about GoTo's products and features. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.